So, welcome to the video. This is a description of the car as I bought it. Now, I bought it in March, I should say, of 2005. The story there goes some friends. I have friends that have E-Type Jags, but nobody had a coupe. Everybody's got their Roadsters. And someone called me up and said, very good friend called me up and said, your car is sitting on the side of the road. You got to go check it out. So I went to look at it, and there it was, parked on the side of the road, with a for sale sign on it. And to make a long story short, I ended up buying the car and brought it home. And, you know, this is what it looked like. Now you look and you go, wow, that's, you know, for a car that's, turns out had been literally sitting in a dry garage for 20 years. And, you know, it was, you know, in a nice dry garage. It's good. It's got a couple imperfections on the body, but I mean, look at it. This thing's in really great shape. So I said, wow, this is perfect, because, you know, I do the mechanical repair stuff. So I'm all about being able to do the mechanical repair on it and be able to fix it up. So the body work being the way it was, I thought this is fantastic. You know, I'm not going to have to do anything to it in order to drive it. I just got to, you know, engine, you know, electrical, hydraulics, fuel, you know, all of that stuff that I'm really capable of doing. So I said this would be a great project car for me, and it's the one I always wanted. But I mean, take a look at the engine. I mean, seriously, this thing is in bad shape. In bad shape. It looks like it's been rode hard and put away wet, and I think that's probably the best description for what it is. You know, when I started getting into it, I found out a lot more about what it needed. But bottom line is, the engine was whipped. So the interior, on the other hand, serviceable. Great? No, but serviceable. So I said, I don't have to worry about that. You know, nice red interior, silver, good combination for Jags. A lot of them are like that. Speedometer is kilometers only, 56,756 kilometers on the car. It had the stainless wire wheels on it. So, you know, things I'm not going to have to buy. So I'm looking at this thing and think, this is great. This is exactly the kind of car that I want. Jaguar Heritage lists the car as Claret as its original body color. So I thought eventually I'll get it back to that. But in the meantime, I'm just going to get it up and get it running and figure out what exactly needs to be done so that I can start driving the car. So that's how the car began in 2005 for me.